I like feet. I think feet are cute. The more I do pedicure, the more I notice how beautiful a feet can be. A feet is one of those things where you can present yourself when you dress up nicely, but you gotta have nice looking feet and you gotta have clean feet. The only two things that I don't like about feet is when it's dirty and when it's stinky. Now, dirty feet is totally preventable. All you have to do is wash your feet when you're taking a shower. You know when you were a kid, how when your mom asked you to go wash your feet and you use the other foot to like rub the bottom of your feet down? Well, a lot of us tend to forget how to do that as we become adult. But that's preventable, so clean your feet, y'all. The second thing is stinky feet, like I mentioned earlier. That, sometimes I will forgive you because sometimes that is unpreventable. I know some of y'all like to wear socks and shoes, but y'all just gotta let your feet air out a little bit because I think stinky feet is due to moist and a lot of moist. Y'all just gotta let the air and the oxygen enjoy your feet a little bit and try not hide your feet under the socks. But other than that, I think feet are beautiful. I think feet are cute. But definitely a feet, you have to really take care of it. You can't just let your feet go loose. Because once your feet go loose, it's going to be hard for you to come back in cage.